Spring is springing, and I could not be more grateful, because winter is always rough. Even a mild winter, which we had this year, greatly affects me. In fact, I was even going to make a video titled Winter Blues, coloring in some winter-themed sketches I did, but I didn't even have the motivation to do that. So, we're leaving behind the quiet, dark energy of winter and really embracing the spirit of spring. New beginnings, fresh inspiration, starting to take action and embodying the active energy of the element air. I'm feeling inspired to create and live more in the moment, so let's go on some little nature adventures, look for magical creatures, and make some cute art. Little thrift adventure. Little tiny thrift adventure to spice up the day. Oh my god. Moss, moss, moss. Perhaps we'll find a leprechaun or a unicorn. Or maybe a little fairy.
Go on this side, 'cause they're...
Gremlin mode activated. This is what I live for, bro. It's beauty. You know that ancient proverb that says you're either a horse girl or a wolf girl? Well, I was a unicorn kid. This is in fact a picture I took of a real live unicorn. I got the picture at like a yard sale about 10 years ago. But today, it's beautiful out. There's not much to see still, but it's beautiful out. And I've been thinking about it, getting closer to St. Patrick's Day. And when I was a kid, that was around the time when you'd start searching for leprechauns, searching for fairies. I remember like leaves blowing a certain way and I just knew it was fairies. Like that kind of like when you're a kid and you don't even question it, you're like, oh yeah, that was a fairy. Like I want that back, I'm bringing that back. And today we're going on a hunt for whatever creatures we could find. Perhaps a unicorn, a leprechaun, a fairy. Who knows? Wait, what was that? I swore I saw something. Where did it go? I think it went in here. Last year I found this book at a thrift store by an author that I had read his middle grade series about unicorns, and haven't picked it up in a little while, but there was a poem in here that I had wanted to read to you. Or rather, I think I wanted to sing it. I think I came up with a little tune for it. Here it is. Okay. It is called Riddle by Myra Cone Livingston. In the middle of the middle of the middle grows a horn. It's a riddle of a riddle of a riddle who is born with a little white horse body, a beard just like a goat, a lion's tail and hind legs like a graceful antelope, a horn that spirals upward from the middle of his head, which begins in white and then turns black and finally ends up red. In the middle of his forehead grows a horn, and the answer to the riddle is a wondrous unicorn. We discovered frog paradise. They're coming out! What I'm trying to do is just create magical things. But I have this little bird cage, and I'm gonna make it a fairy. Not for this fairy, this one's too big. Fairy cage that they can come and go as they want. Using like upcycled stuff. Like thrifted and upcycled random things. A little extra, and now I've realized once again that I don't have scissors. Oh god. And it's my first time using a glue gun in years, since I was a kid, since I completely rejected them from my life. So it's booty to booty.